What's going on, everybody? What's happening? Tuesday, January 21. All right, we're going to be day trading the Nasdaq 100. Today, we're trading with our Apex account. Let's see what we can do, right? Let's see what we can do. I don't know if y'all are getting any snow, but I'm here in Texas, and some places are getting snow. Some places are not. And we're not. All right, we're back at it though, y'all. We are back at it, ready to rock and roll. We'll see what we can do today, right? Y'all know we've been trading this Apex. This year, we're starting something brand new. I'm trading with a brand new strategy, brand new platform. I'm doing this prop firm stuff, shooting a lot of videos on Apex. Brand new to me, so we're kind of learning this stuff together. Learning it together. All right, let's kind of just move this back here. All right, getting set up, ready to rock and roll. Hopefully, y'all had good stuff yesterday. Martin Luther King Day inauguration. I like it. Expecting big things, my friends. But it's cold. I'm not gonna lie. It's not snowing here, but it's fucking cold. Damn. All right, we should be good, man. No items today. No items on the docket. What's going on, John?
Good morning, Jeff.
What's happening, brother?
Well, it's kind of nice to take a day off yesterday.
You know what? I traded yesterday.
Online.
I traded yesterday.
And so is Mama Eagle.
Yeah, I didn't see that. I didn't log in that Telegram group, but I traded yesterday. I just traded in the morning. Well, obviously it closed at 12. So, what's up? And how's the weather over there, man? Where I'm at, it's cold. It's not snowing where I'm at, but it's cold.
Oh, it was 17 below this morning.
Oh shit! 17 below?
Yes, sir.
What? That's crazy. Wow, bro. That is some cold stuff, John. Not gonna lie about that. I think
it's supposed to be up to 26 on Wednesday, so just cold front moved through, and it is what it is.
Nice. Yeah, I mean, it's cold here. For here, it's like 30 degrees, and for here, that's like negative 50 below zero for here. And then where Charles is at, Charles is about 3.5 hours north of me. It's snowing over there. So Houston is snowing where my mom's at. It's snowing in San Antonio, but it's not snowing here. That's crazy.
I had some friends from Alaska. They went to school in Fairbanks. That's where they met.
Uh-huh.
And there was a 6-week period where it never got above 30 below.
Oh my goodness.
So when you talk about your 30 degrees, I always laugh. It's all perspective. If you were at Fairbanks, that's break out the grill and put the shorts on.
Oh my God, dude. That is crazy. Crazy. So yesterday, what'd y'all do yesterday, man? There was inauguration stuff on all day long.
Oh, I just kind of took it easy. I look at the markets a bit. I'm following it, trying to get my signature trades together, and still trying to wrap my head around all the information.
Gotcha, bro. Well, I can honestly say I got this figured out finally. Yep. I got my signature trades. I got it figured out. So hopefully, you can figure it out pretty soon, because kind of had that aha moment on Friday, studied it on Saturday, and now I'm just practicing what I need to practice. So hopefully you get yours down too, my brother.
Sounds good. Good morning, Jeff.
Jeff, what's up?
Morning, buds. How's it going?
It is going. We didn't get any snow. It's cold, so that's cool. I mean, I was kind of looking forward to at least the snow for a couple hours, but other than that, weather-wise, it is cold. For where I'm at, it's freaking cold.
Yeah, it's been. Yeah, we got the little bit of Arctic air hitting us here too, so We're doing all right though. No snow in the forecast.
Oh, you have no snow in the forecast?
Yeah, we haven't had a flake of snow this year, which is kind of unusual.
Really?
Super rainy though. Super rainy.
That seems kind of wild. I would imagine where you're at, quite a bit of snow quite often.
Yeah, we're not done yet. I mean, we get these late January, early February blasts, so we're not out of the woods just yet.
Gotcha, brother. Gotcha. Well, it's pretty cold here, so no snow. Back at it. What's going on, Brandon? What's up? We are ready to go. Man, I'm super pumped about this stuff. It finally clicked, all of it, and now it's just practicing and executing. I see why I see what they're doing finally, and we're good to go. So hopefully it does well. All right, so we are opened up. We are 112. One thing I do want to make sure after that one day that I'm actually synced up properly. So it does look like, yeah, it is synced up good. Also, make sure you have your trading unlocked. So many times mine was locked. So, all right. Good luck to y'all. And let's see what we got. All right, we got us a nice lower high here. Just kind of profile on the market really quickly. Let's see. We'll swing high, sitting at DB5 above the 55. Stochastics heading down. I'm going to wait me a couple minutes here. I'm just going to put you on mute, but if y'all need to come off, just come off because I'm hearing some clicking and it's kind of getting me. So if y'all need to come off, obviously just come off, my friends. And let's just let the market settle in and see what we got. I'm going to trade my, I don't have much left on my $50,000 account. I've got several. So what I'm trying to do is I got too many accounts. I've been talking about it pretty hardcore. I want to focus on these $50,000 accounts. That's where I'm going to focus on. But I've got a bunch of, we got talked into buying some really big accounts. So 300,000. I don't want those. I'm going to cancel those. I don't want them to renew. I popped out a video today on Apex 2. Just kind of going through it, but my primary focus this year is $50,000 accounts. I'm going to keep 150,000 as mainly practice. But other than that, I'm dead focused on the 50,000. Once we start passing these evaluation accounts, I'm only going to be shooting for $500 a day. Now, when I started off with these 50,000s, I really didn't have a clue. For a long time, man, I was playing it completely different than they were playing it. So now, and Brandon was there yesterday, me, Brandon, and Jason, we were doing some trade in the morning. It's just execution. So I do agree, John was talking about he's still trying to get his signature trade. So yeah, you definitely want to get your signature trade or trades and then go from there. I have changed up. I took every single bit of my notes that I have last Friday when we met. I had like about 10 pages of notes. I took all of those notes, tore them up, and threw them in the trash can because I realized that everything that I was doing was pretty much wrong, which is fine. When you have to learn stuff on your own, you got to experiment. So now it's just execution. If we look at any news items, it looks like we're okay. I don't see any news items. And if you took that dasher boom, you lost. I will only be taking a dasher boom. I've changed up a lot. I'm not taking MDX trades. No. and I'm only taking dash and boom trades in one instance, I'll be talking about that more. Again, I'm not saying too much until we really get this zoned in, but I think everybody would, you need to pick out whatever your signature trade is going to be, and then just really focus, practice until you get good. And who cares about losing? This week, I do not care about winning and losing. This week, for me, is practice with purpose, focusing on what I need to do, and getting good at my management. That's it. That's it. So I'm kind of want to take this January and just really focus. Really focus. And then February, start passing these exams, right? My goal in February is going to be to pass at least 3 $50,000 valuations. That's what I want to do every month. Every month, pass at least 3 evaluations until I get around 20. Right now, we're going sideways, just chopping around. Okay, we are above the 55. We hit that swing high, but right now, just sitting back and I'm waiting for, clean setup. But be careful right now because it looks like we are just flopping around sideways. And I just want to stress, whatever your signature trade is, just like we do on options, you just got to keep trading it. Keep trading it, learn the lessons. All right, we're heading down into the 55 over here. We are above, right now we're above 55. We're above the daily pivot. All right, that's kind of going down pretty hard. All right. Heading into B23. Again, I'm just letting things shake out. I'm only waiting for very specific stuff now. Very. And I'll tell you what, a lot of the stuff I was trading before, that ain't happening now. All right, just kind of working our way down. 55's headed down. We're deep down here under the 8. Pretty nice little sell-off there. S&P's, it's funny, it looks like a really big sell-off, but if you just look at it from a grand scheme of things, it's not. All right, heading down into line 21. Potential support level. All right. I want to wait a little bit. This is a little bit crazy for me. I'm learning this. I'm brand new, just like y'all. And when it's really crazy like this, because I'm so, I'm just getting used to this software. This is too fast for me. I need things to slow down, right? But I'm just kind of watching and observe and hitting a lower low, bouncing up to line 21. So we're moving down pretty hardcore. And just keep watching, right? Yeah, I'm not taking those little pullback trades I used to. Now, not a chance that you will see me take those trades. Not a chance. All right. We're coming down, probably dropping down to the low 21,607. All right. Yeah, we got a lot of bearish pressure right now. Just wait for your signature trade. That's all you got to do. Wait for your signature trade. Let's see here. You can see it's coming up and hitting that line 21, right? Selling off. It'll be fun. I'm excited though about this week. Today will be a good day too, right? We'll trade here, swing low, printing that swing low, coming into the daily pivot. Kind of just dropping right now, way down here. Way down there. Issue with that swing low, we were talking about that yesterday. As you see how it just keeps going down. Again, I'm going to practice this week. This week is all about practicing for me. Practicing what I'm going to focus on. What's up, Jason? Swing low. That one thing is that swing low started to print back here. Again, I'm going to be practicing what we did yesterday. But boy, it looks like a little bit crazy. This is not going to be my signature trade, Jay. You know, we talked about the swing low, swing high. I'm going to look at them, but I'm not. That's definitely not my signature trade for sure. Now you're getting kind of there green here. A lot of volatility. I really want to wait about 15 minutes. You don't need many trades. I'm only going to be going for $500 a day. That's not many trades. All right, breaking down. We're at that swing low, right? This is what we were talking about yesterday. But I'm not going to take that. Not right now. Not right now. We do have two greens here, so it's starting to pick up. It's just a little too volatile for me, but I want to get in. I want to get in right there. But I'm going to wait. I'm going to wait. Man, that would have been nice. All right, let's bring this over here. All right. Things are going to be bouncing around. All right, let me get all my stuff ready to go. All right. So we got that swing. Could come back down into this 55. All right. I think we're good. All right. We got a little lower high. It's not my thing. It's not my thing. Remember what we talked about yesterday. Look at the 55. Look at the 55. It's pretty sideways. Again, what you need to do is just watch. Get really good at your stuff. This week is about making sure you get zoned in. What you're going to need to get zoned in. Be patient. All right. Okay. Remember we discussed, right? All right. Coming back into line 21. Things are going to go quick. Things are going to pull him back. Higher low on the 55. Coming down. Sitting right at that 4. Okay. It's pretty volatile right now. All right, made $100. All right, that's $100. Good job. Okay, and again, this week is all about practice for me. That was a nice $100. Could have made more, but I'm still gun shy. Still gun shy. Could have made more. I'll take the $100. All right. We are stacked. Damn. All right. Again, all I'm doing is focusing on my trades this week. This week is all about focusing on your signature trades. We'll pull back. Things are pretty volatile right now. Back off. You back off. Let things kind of settled in. All right. Again, we're heading down here on a fast MACD. We did come into the daily pivot. Right now, it's kind of just pausing. Remember, if you zone in on what you're looking for, we're gonna get it. Whatever your trade's gonna be, just focus and practice on it. Right? That's all we can do. Is zone in. Win, lose, or draw doesn't matter. Doesn't matter. What matters is you just get good at your trade that you're going to be taking. All right, things are moving nice. Higher high. Working our way to B23, bouncing off the pivot. I like it. Above the 8. It's a lot more volatile in the morning. I'm going to be honest with you, boy. Ooh. Things are moving nice now. We're stacked. This could go up for a while. No hurry. No hurry. When I get trading these real accounts, actually starting next month when I reset these 50,000s, again, that's all I'm going for. $500. $500. Right now, again, I have, like I said, my mission this week is to really get good at my signals and just stay focused on my signals. All right. I'm just working our way up, breaking through some areas. And this bad boy's moving. We are stacked. I am not taking no damn pullback either. That pullback's dead to me. That pullback. Every time I take this freaking pullback trade, I lose. That ain't happening no more. Okay. Again, 90% of my losses have come from this damn trade. Bouncing on line 21. Working our way back down. Coming into the zero. And again, I want the lessons, right? Damn. Nice bounce. Nice bounce off the zero. Again, we talked about some of this yesterday. But that's why I want to look. See how that zero, we might have to kind of change up some of the stuff because that zero is a nice bounce. Again, rolling over lower high, right at that 55. No hurry. No hurry. No hurry. We're up $100. Going just fine. All right. But again, I'm going to stress, get your signature trade. Get your signature trade or trades up. And then just focus on that. I've completely thrown away everything that I learned up until last Friday. Brand new. Okay. I found what I'm looking for. You got to find what you're looking for. All right, so again, we're sitting at line 21. Right underneath this 55. Starting to hook. It's bouncing around like a freaking monster. What's going on, brother? I am no longer taking that MDX trade. No. I will only take the dasher boom in a very specific situation, and it's not right there. Right now, we're just kind of chopping sideways. Very volatile right now. Yesterday, I finished up around $700 yesterday. All right, kind of pulling back. You can see we're just chopping around sideways, so just back off. Back off, right? You will get your opportunities. You will get your opportunities. And obviously, man, we got our chat, guys, too. Y'all can type in our chat. Jason's what we were talking about yesterday, right? Just focusing 100% on what we talked about yesterday. $500 is all we need to make a day. And you're going to have plenty of opportunities as long as you don't overtrade and start taking like a whole bunch. Right on the 55. 55 is kind of going flat. Back off. Watch the 55. Look at line 21. We're just chopping sideways. This is not... Whoa! Did y'all see that? Holy mother. That thing dropped like a rocket ship. That was crazy. So we're making a lower low. This thing is screaming. Don't chase. Don't chase. Right, that daily pivot. If we break this low, this could fall down to wherever that's at. Wow, this is volatile. Wow. Swing low. Man, it is fast in the morning. Holy crap. But see, there's one thing about this swing low. It started to print up like here, right? That's why I'm just like, until I get really good, I'm not going to just take that one. I got to really watch what's going on with that. See how bouncing around, man? In the afternoon, it's way less volatile, man. Look at that. Still going down. I would have got killed on all those. So you are below line 21. We could have taken that dasher boom trade, Jason, but All right, be careful now. Now we're going back up, right? It's crazy. This is crazy fast. Holy mother of Joseph. This thing is moving like a rocket ship. Five trades, maybe 4 or 5 trades is all you need. Coming down here in a 10 area. Accumulation zone, right? Looks like 26. Well, it's not doing much. It's just moving a lot with these damn Urenco charts. But it's really volatile, man. This shit is volatile. It'll wear you out. I mean, dude. I guess the better we get, we'll be able to, spare. But boy, this, man, that is vicious, bro. That pulled all the way back into the 55. What? That is crazy. And now it's going back down. I want no part of that. 55's headed up. We're stacked. Those pullbacks are vicious. And just focus on what you're looking for. Doesn't matter if you lose. This week, it's about just getting good at recognizing your trade and getting good at your management. That's all you got to do this week. Remember, in the afternoon, it probably won't be as violent as it is right now. This is violent. Got the MDX. Coming into the 2. I'm out. $65. Again, the more I see it, the more confident I'm going to get. But I'm up 165, 2 trades, 2 wins. I'll take it. But I'm going to, again, watch this. This is probably going to go to the full target. But until I get comfortable, I mean, look at that. Look at that. All right. That's good, though. That's good. You know what? I might jump back in, too. Wow. Once again, diamond. We're not stacked. No dasher booms. This could roll over right here. Basically got an equal high. My son was looking for it to snow, right? It snowed in San Antonio, which is not too far away, but it didn't snow here. Which I don't know how. It's not even that far away. It's crazy. It should have snowed here. Okay, we do have a higher low, but I'm not interested. Not interested. Not yet. Keep watching. Now we're shifting down. Hit that 55, rolling over. Stochastics, MACD heading down. Wait for your trade. Wait for your trade. Okay, everything looks good to the downside. Oh, flopping around. That was crazy. Boy, that's volatile. Okay. Damn. All right. I'm just learning the lesson. Just keep watching, right? Practice your stuff. Headed down. Man, this is tricky. Very sideways. Yeah, Rafa. Man. Yeah, I'm just practicing. I don't care. I'm just practicing. Damn it. It's tough. Very tricky, right? Shit. Lower low. Boy, it is tricky. I'll tell you what, though. In the morning, you better be good, dude. This is hard. All right. Let's see what we got here. It is very sideways. Nasdaq's flat, right? I think we're going to have to let it go to that full target, Jason, we talked about. I think so. Because just kind of looking at it, I think you're just going to have to let it go to the full target. Because you're going to need to get those $250 wins. Again, it's all about learning, right? Again, I don't care this week about winning and losing. I'm just trying to get good at recognizing what I'm looking for. And then just focus on the management. I've been flopping around, testing out so many different stuff. No, I can't do that. Cannot do that, man. Yeah, I know, right? Shit. This is crazy. This is crazy. We got a flat 55, right? This is nuts. Kind of just chopping around, man. I'm not interested in that. Not yet. Would have worked though. Shit. Damn, this is tricky. The 10 accumulation, heading back almost to a swing low. We're not stacked on that dasher, so I'm not going to take it. Man, I wanted to take this. Jason, I should have taken this. That's what we talked about, but man, it's moving so fast. Again, just study your signals. Right? That was a winner. Another one. This shit is going crazy. But you know, if you... Man, these patterns seem to repeat quite a bit. All right, working our way back up now. Working our way back up. Higher high. Damn. I want to take so many of these trades, but I'm going to be honest. It is moving fast. It is crazy. I don't know how they do it in the morning, man. This thing moves like a rocket ship. It's so much calmer in the afternoon. I'm doing just one, Rafa. I'm doing just one right now. Because that's what I'm going to be trading with. That's what I'm going to be trading with whenever we... Boom, there we go. Yeah, there you go. Got back about half of it. So whenever I trade for real, I'm going to be doing one mini. All I want to make is $500 a day. Like, that's it. That's my goal. And I want to be copy trading, like, you know, I want to be copy trading 20 accounts. Yeah, I'm not scaling back. It's just one contract. That's all I'm doing. Bam. That would have worked out nicely. We got back half of it. But again, I'm only going for $500, man. My goal is to get 20 accounts and then just get really good at $500. That's why this week, I don't care about winning and losing, man. All I care about is getting good at what I've decided to focus on. Again, I'm learning. But I'm not going to take a whole bunch of trades anymore like I was doing. I know what I'm looking for, and now I just need to practice it. And if I can focus, again, if you can focus like me on whatever your trade is, and you just only trade that, come on. How can you not win, right? How can you not win? And if you lose, you know, as long as our losses aren't big, remember we were taking like $800 losses? Fuck. It's crazy, dude. But I am gun shy. I'll tell you that right now. I'm gun shy because in the morning, this is crazy. Again, we're in here together. Feel free. If y'all want to chat, feel free, man. I mean, I'm just talking out loud. Again, we're just trying to learn like you know. The only thing I can say is I know what I'm looking for. So that's it. All right, we got a higher high. We're kind of towards that accumulation zone. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, that's crazy, right? Oh, got me into trade. I didn't want to get into trade. All right, we got 40 bucks on that one. I didn't want to get into it, but it got me in. Oh, get out, get out. Shit almost got me back in again. Kind of flat right here. All right. Again, the more you see it, the more you're going to recognize. There, man. All right. Brandon, I know we talked yesterday, Jason, so hopefully y'all are watching all this stuff as well, taking notes. There it goes back down. Look at that. Bam. That 55 went down. Rafa said, yeah, it's a ping pong match, right? Shit. This is tricky. Now we're going back down, right? This is just chopping. One thing though, man, we do have a higher low, but now it's going back down, right? Normally, I'd be down like $2,000 by now. This is so crazy. All right, so now we have working our way back down. Yes, exactly, Rafa. Damn, that dasher paid off nicely. I should have turned it on. I don't know if you turned it on, but I didn't turn mine on, Jason, and that was a big-ass winner. Damn, I didn't see it. That right there was the dasher boom that I wanted to take. That would have paid my daily goal. All right, I got to pay attention to that next time. Jason, did you trigger that dasher boom? Or that would have paid the whole day right there. That's okay. This week, it's about recognizing. But Rafa nailed it. If you accidentally get in a trade, just get out. But I can tell you one thing. That's the dasher boom right there that you want. That's the only dasher booms that I'll be trading. But I didn't have my auto trader pulled up, so I missed it. But that's it right there. And that proves our point, Jason. That proves our point yesterday. You see that? Yesterday we said the only dasher booms that we were going to trade. That proves our point. I didn't have my auto trader turned on. So, but see, this is what I like. It's, you just trade, you get small wins, and then bam, one win, make your goal. Yep, exactly. 100%. Breaking low a day, John Z. Yep, we're at a swing low. Breaking the low of the day. Getting a wilder X. But that was the trade. That's the trade that we just wait patiently for, right? Fuck. Now we're at a swing low. That's it. So we're at that lower low, sitting right there, DB. As accumulation. We're deep. We're in that -10. Bouncing around quite a bit. We could get a diamond. We are accumulating down here, but we're right there. Could get a diamond. Just be on the lookout. Damn, I wish I would have had my auto trader on for that dasher. Shit. Would have paid big time. Wow, this thing is flopping around like a noodle, bro. I can understand why these people blow up their PAs, though. They win these evaluation accounts, and this thing moves like an animal. And they have one loss, wipes them out. All right, so we got this swing low. And again, that was a nice move. There we go again, right? Coming into a support level. All right, we got another 120 bucks, down 45 now, so it was a good one right there. Oh no, I went to disable it, go flat. Damn it. I wanted to get out of that trade. That's all right. Just like Rafa said, if you accidentally get in a trade, go flat. That's what I did. I'm still trying to work these auto traders, but you know what? Accident, go flat. That's the issue with these auto traders, right? It's just sometimes, man, you can be a little bit slow and accidentally. That's good though. The good thing is I recognized that it was a mistake and jumped out quick. All right, so now I'm telling you, man, the more we watch it, though, the better we're going to get. I'm just going to make a little note. So it says a lower high right now. We are working off that swing low. That could be the bottom. Yeah, there we go. We got messages everywhere. This is crazy, guys. Hopefully y'all are getting y'all stuff, man. This is crazy. Dude, all the crypto people went crazy because Trump yesterday didn't say anything about crypto. I was not expecting him to say anything yesterday about crypto. Come on, dude. People are fucking crazy, dude. All right, so we got an upsloping. Everything looks good. Working our way. Could get a diamond. Be on the lookout, right? Everything is nice up. Make sure you got your auto traders, whatever you're going to use. I think one thing, we talked yesterday, Jason, about that 50. I need to, I think, man, it's almost like we need to honor that, because you're going to need those wins. Even if we have to take a bunch of losses practicing, we're going to need those wins. Because with that target, 250, you will need those wins, man. So I think just jumping in and out might be good, but I think it's, from a practice standpoint, I don't think we can do that, man. We're going to need it. I think we can move to break even, and then after that, I think we just gotta let it go. Because, or at least let it go. I've been getting out too early because I'm really just, after losing so much in the beginning, I'm just gun shy, right? We're just grinding it up. We got all day today, though. All day. I'm 100% focused on just a couple signals. 100% focused on just a couple signals. I just got to get good at the management, right? Which, get over that fear, because practicing the way we were practicing and just getting stopped out for big losses, it's got me kind of gun shy. So just that fear of getting over that, you know, I got to do it. So we're at the OD 32 line. This is the war zone, right? Above it, strongly bullish. Below it, bearish. Again, right now, though, I'm looking to go up or stacked averages. That one dash of boom trade would have paid monstrous. Don't chase. It's just going up. Don't chase. Yeah, it's beautiful. I wish I was in it, but I don't care. Not chase. Coming up into a dash of boom. We're stacked. We do have a line 21. I'm going to turn on my auto trader. Wait, I don't know. I don't want to get in right here. I don't know if it's going to trigger me here. I'll turn it on in a minute. I just don't want to get triggered right here. I don't want it to trigger me.
Which one you turning on, Jeff?
Well, hang on a second. I'm gonna turn on my dasher boom. I'm gonna actually go ahead and turn on the dasher boom also. Okay. And what I'm gonna do here with this other one is, again, I'm practicing, right? I'm just practicing. I'm trying to get good at these auto traders, Jeff. You know, I'm pushing buttons sometimes by accidentally pushing them, and so it's like it's tricky. But this week, again, I don't care about winning and losing. I'm just trying to get good at my buttons, to be honest with you. See?
Yeah, gotcha.
You know what I'm saying? Like, it's so easy to push the wrong button. So that's all I care about this week is getting kind of over that fear and then just pushing the correct button. Because I seem to push the wrong button quite a bit. But I've noticed this zero twice here. What happened? Oh, I accidentally canceled the order. What? See, it's tricky. These buttons are hard to... Jeff, these buttons are hard. When you got all these damn auto traders and stuff, it's so easy to accidentally push the wrong one. But, again, just practice your signal. But man, that's a nice bounce right there off that zero. And I tried to get in right here, but I think I pushed the wrong button.
I got something weird going on because a couple times on my auto traders, I enabled it. It got me in the trade and it took me right back out.
You know what? It did that to me a minute ago too.
And it just did it on the dasher boom. So I don't know what the hell's going on.
Yeah, that did to me too, right? It did. I don't know either, man, but it did that to me too.
Oh, I know. Well,
you know what? You know why? I don't know why.
Oh, the dasher, I got it set for long and short.
No, but that's fine because it's only going to trigger. Oh, it's only, yeah, remember, it's below line 21. Right now, it's only going to trigger short. Oh, man, I didn't know that either. I think that's what happened to me. I think it triggered me short, and I was wanting to go long. Oh, man. That's what I'm saying. See, we got lots of practicing to do.
Well, it even did it when I was below line 21 and did a short. It popped me in, took me right back out.
Yeah.
Just on price action.
Yeah. You know what? It did that to me right now too.
Yeah. Maybe they don't want you trading below line 21.
Yeah, right. I was wondering. I just got in and it turned around and got me right out. And I was like, why? Well, that's it. I was trying to go long and I turned the dasher boom on and then it triggered me short. I'm like, what? Crazy.
So maybe there's a line 21 rule here.
Well, there is. It only trades above or below line 21. And since below line 21, it's only going to trade short. Yeah.
Yeah, I guess that's a question for Rebecca today.
Well, I mean, I just told you that's the answer. It's only going to, if it's below line 21, it's only going to trade short. You have to manually go long if you want to go long. Like, that's the answer. All right. But I didn't. I was going to take this dasher boom somewhere here. And what happened was it triggered me short. And then it went back up. Because I forgot. The dasher boom will only trigger in the direction above or below line 21. All right, we're at the daily pivot. This thing's chopping. Like Rafa said, this thing is going sideways. Again, I do not care about winning and losing. I mean, these accounts are so down, there's no way I can pass it. I just need to take the signal and get over that fear because I had lost so much. Now, you can trade the dasher boom to the upside right now. You just got to do it manually. And you know what? Oh, man. I was going to say, might have to change that stop loss around too, Jay. That's why this week it's all about practicing. But that may be too tight a stop. It might be too tight a stop. We might just have to go 1-to-1 and deal with it. Because I don't want to be getting too tight a stop and getting nicked out. Right there to DPP, we are hooking up. Damn, this thing's crazy. You know, I'm just putting it like underneath these lows. So like if I get in, but it's I don't know. I don't really know how much, Rafa, because I'm just kind of moving it underneath the low. So it's, I don't know. I mean, maybe about 30 ticks, maybe. I don't know. Again, last week and the week before, I was trading everything, man. I'm not going to do that. And I really want to trade a couple signals. And then maybe if I decide, you know what, this is the only signal I like, I'll only do that. But back the other couple weeks, I would have been trying to trade these. It's just no fun. This is already hard enough. And it looks like the morning is going to be really tricky. We have a swing high. Again, so what I'm going to be doing is option class here pretty soon. And then I'm going to be coming back. You know, I'm going to be doing this all day long. You know, but boy, I think we have to stick with that target, to be honest with you. Because I think those 250 win, you're going to need them. Line 21 again. Walter X. Damn, it's snowing everywhere but here in the frick where I'm at. Isn't that crazy? All right, got that swing high. Dow Jones, I didn't realize it's up 296. Wow. Yeah, I know. And that's what I'm trying to do, Roth. It's like, you know what? If I'm wrong, I want to be wrong quick, you know? That's what, again, that's really what I want to work on this week. It's being consistent in what I plan to take and just getting good at the management, because that's hard. That's the hard part. For me, it's going to be the hard part. And that's why I'm trying to just take small losses, you know? And again, with a small loss, a couple point move, it's still like $200, but I just really want to get focused, man. There's so much information. There's so many things that we can do. It's too much. You're right. And this Nasdaq, it pops around like a crazy person. Yep, that's it. Yeah. Yeah. You know, and I'll take them all day. That's going to be my signature trade right there. And that's going to be what I focus on 100%. I'm just really gun shy, man, with the management. Seriously. What happened? It didn't let me get in the trade. What happened? Oh, man. It's not letting me get in. Damn. I wanted to get in. Well, let me see. I was going to get in that trade right there. It's not letting me. I don't know why. But that's what I want right there. That's it. That's what I'm looking for, man. That's what I'm looking for. Oh, well. But I probably would have, I would have got break even on that one. Here, look at this. Same thing as last time. Look at that. Look at that. That's twice. That's twice. That winning trade is twice. I'm going to make that note right now. I'm going to make that note right now. For some reason, it's not letting me, but that's it. That's it right there. That's it. That's that beautiful diamond. Beautiful diamond. Look at those two beautiful diamonds. Yeah, that's what I'm
You
going
still
to.
have money in that account?
Yeah, I think so. I don't. You know what? To be honest, I don't even know what account I'm on, man. I just put it on. It was whatever. I don't even know what account it put me on, so maybe it doesn't. Because I told you last week I had a bunch of stuff, so I don't even know. I need to check. But you know what's going to happen if I check it? It's going to freeze.
Uh-huh.
You know that. So again, I don't care. I'm just looking at the signals, and so Rafi, yeah, I'm moving to break even as soon as possible. Yeah, I know. That's okay though. All week, I'm gonna really try to get over that fear of getting smacked. All right. So here's what we're gonna do. So I'm gonna be switching. I need to check out all my accounts. Again, I'm gonna be talking all later. Don't worry. I have no problem telling y'all what I'm gonna be focusing on. And that way, if y'all want to focus on it, together, we'll tell you. But it's really tricky in the morning. It's really tricky. So here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to lock it. I'm going to, we're going to do options here in a minute. Then I'm going to go pick up some groceries, come back, and we're going to go at it. Just us and our mastermind group. We'll talk all about this stuff. And I'm going to be doing this all day today. All week, I'm going to be just laser focused and practicing my management. No matter what, that's all I care about. And again, we can come off the mic. We can discuss it together. And that way we can get it down. Because as you can see, this is not easy, man. And we want to be consistent. All right, so let's do this. I'm going to hide these auto traders really quick. Let me bring them back over here. So that way I can just, yeah, see, like Rafa said, what did he say? This isn't a good morning. Basically, hasn't even done nothing. Okay? Hasn't even done nothing. Right? So, yeah. All right. So here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to go ahead and just minimize this. Let me go ahead and end this stream. If y'all want to join us in the mastermind, come on board. But we do this every day. Rafa said, yeah. On the mornings that we run, yeah, I agree. But again, the good news is this is all I'm going to focus on the whole week. I'm going to tell you everything that I'm doing. And I got to get over the fear of, see, my issue is I've been taking a bunch of wins, but I'm cutting them off. So we'll talk about it. Don't worry. I'm not going to hide nothing that I'm doing. But I just don't like to say too much because as of right now, it's all practice. All right. Let's do this. Let me take a little tiny break. Let me do options.